Hi, my name is Charlotte Gibbs. I work at Mimeo. I'm a dispatcher. I've been here for 17 years. Before getting started, each dispatcher has to sign in and out to protect the customer's valuable information. Well, all the jobs are in the correct order that comes in as ADAP. Each job that's shown on this screen is placed in the order by delivery date, target date, or deadline date.
Hi, my name is Morgan. I am a color press operator here at Mimeo. I have worked here for over a year. To start off, what I do is check quality insurance for my press to make sure my jobs come out nice.
Hi, I'm Cynthia Wright, and I've been employed at Mimeo for over 5 years now, and my duties are correlation. Each component has a job number and a dock ID. And what we do is we compare each dock ID to make sure all components belong together, and we marry them. We staple the document, set it to the side, and we scan our badge in just for security purposes to make sure that we know exactly who's doing this particular job. And then I correlate.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Harris. I've been with Mimeo for a year. I'm a RINs operator.
Hi, my name is Penella Anderson, and this is how I start my job every day. I am a spiral binding operator. I have been with Mimeo for 13 years.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a QA at Mimeo. I've been here 9 years.
Hi guys, my name is Annie and I'm a supervisor here in the kitting department for Mimeo. What we do back here in kitting is pretty much a small combination of what we produce for everybody out there in production. Anything from saddle stitch books to spiral books, and then we combine them with our custom inventory out here in the warehouse. When we get the orders from production, what happens is they are assigned to a particular slot, and once they assign to the slot, our kitting associates is alerted that that particular job is actually ready to be kitted. They come, they look at the paperwork, they pull the job from the slot, and then they overlook all the specific SIs requested by the customer.
My name is Kimberly Hines. I've been with Mimeo for 5 years. I'm actually a quality insurance agent, but I regularly come to shipping to help out sometimes.